It's me, and today we are just playing some Minecraft. And right now, I was exploring. I'm in adventure mode, and I think I see a witch. So I'm gonna get my totem of undying out, and I have a beacon, and I'm gonna kill the witch with my bow. She should be dying by now, but she isn't for some reason. Yes, let's see what she dropped. I hope it's not rotten flesh. She dropped redstone. No way. So I'm going to throw away what I don't need because I don't think I need rotten flesh. Also, that redstone looked like I hate this. No. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Slash game mode S. For some reason, I can't stop jumping. I think I had to break something, so T slash game mode C. Not good. T slash oh game mode C. Now I gotta get to a tree. I did like that gift that the witch gave me. So now let's just try to find a village. What is this place? Is this all clay or is it? What is this? Oh, I don't know what this is, but it has snow. And that is good. So this is a good lookout place, but I'm not gonna live here just because it snows. Ooh, there's a bunch of snow here. But I'm not going there. How do you get that? Oh, that's cool. I'm shooting down for no reason. I'm shooting down for one reason. I'm shooting down to see if I can kill Enderman. I'm just gonna throw this into the air, and throw it down there, and throw it to nowhere. Let's see where that arrow landed. Yeah, I can't see it, so no. I think that one landed in water. This is so not gonna land in water. I think I found it. It fell in here. Yeah. Like a little zombie running around in circles. Shouldn't this zombie be dying? Oh, right. Zombies don't get poisoned. I hate that. I did not know creepers get poisoned. Got gunpowder from a creeper. Well, that's cool. And there's no everywhere over here, which is kind of pretty cool, I guess. And why are these clouds gray? Like if it was about to rain. That is not doesn't mean that you have to be gray. It's like there's something shooting back because I throw this up. See? Don't you hear like something shooting at me even though I'm on creative? It's kind of pretty. Zombie villagers. You know what that means, right? There's a bunch of them. That means a village is close. I'm just gonna poison. You can't get poisoned. Just gonna try to find a village. Trying to find a village in the middle of nowhere. And I think that's another zombie villager. That is a good sign. That means there's a village somewhere around near my site. There are 2 regular zombies. That is not good. We are running out of villager signs too. I don't know why I'm singing this, but I like to sing it. And now there's a weird voice in the back. Now there's like 2 mobs in the lag. Wait, all it dropped was experience? Creative. Forgot. Oh God. I think my dad is working. I got 2 arrows and 1 bone. There's a pig. That's a good sign. It's closed today.
So the internet price, is that the same? Like, I have a couple questions on there. I'm trying to decide if they're go using or get one else to get anyone, like buying one.
Are those cows? I thought they were skeletons. Wait, they're flowers. Yeah, they're flowers. And they give you magenta dye.
Yeah, I was just gonna ask, like, that's neither or, right? Like,
Are those rose bushes? Yeah, so I'm gonna go to adventure now. T/game mode A. What is this? You can't die in a rose bush. Okay, that's good. Because in real life, you can get pricked to death in a rose bush. You cannot spring. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
You cannot spring on adventure.
Okay.
That's something I really don't like. What happened to my arrows? Oh, run out. I can still shoot though. I'm collecting something, I think. I wish I could spring right now. Oh, I got some rabbit. What do I get when... Do I get... I don't really care right now.
Yeah, sure. 512.
I forgot I had under perils. So I'm just gonna throw this in the middle of nowhere. And they did not land in a village.
Yeah.
I died. No! No. No way.
Yeah, that's a good point. Actually, I haven't asked that.
Got an idea. How about... Okay, fall in the water. I knew I was gonna fall in the water. No. No. I got an idea. What if I send my ender pearl to the nether? Will it work? I don't think so because I haven't been teleported to anything. So yeah. It's not working.
So I was just checking if there's like a better deal elsewhere.
Well, that works. Dang it. Oh, last time I did spawn here, so just gonna shoot that pigman. The pigman.
Okay, cool.
I did not mean to attack you, whatever you are. Gassed. Quickly.
Okay, one in.
That was very. It still knows I'm here.
Okay.
Oh,
So I have to check if I have something.
I hate my dogs when they do that.
What's happening?
I'm gonna die. God. This gas is very strong. And my
Okay.
dogs are bothering me.
So yeah, I think 10's good.
No, my God. So, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like. I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye. Okay, just bye.